Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. If you have an Android device and random apps keep crashing, hopefully this video will be helpful to you. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, if you're using an Android device and all of a sudden your apps just started randomly crashing and closing, you're not alone here. A lot of people have recently reported the exact same issues. You don't have to worry about replacing your phone just yet. Fortunately, the fix is pretty simple and straightforward, and it all comes down to one app. So let's go ahead and fix it. The first place you'll want to navigate to on your phone is the Google Play Store. So go on ahead and open it up. Once you've opened up the Play Store, go to the top search bar here and click on it. From here, start typing in Android System WebView, and this has been a popular search as of late, so it might be one of the top picks. Once you've typed that in, the next step is to select the Android System WebView. It should be already installed on your phone. Don't go installing anything here. You don't need to click on anything else. You only need to click on Android System WebView. Once you've opened this up, you should have a couple of different options, and this might vary from phone to phone, but you should see something along the lines of uninstall and update. What you'll want to do from here is click uninstall. From here, it'll ask you if you want to uninstall the updates, and the answer is yes, so go on ahead and click uninstall. After that, your screen should say something like this. From here, you're pretty much good to go. You don't have to do anything else. You don't need to click update. Just exit the Google Play Store and you should be on your way. If for some reason your phone doesn't have the option to uninstall updates on this app, don't worry, it should be resolved fairly quickly, maybe in a day, maybe in a couple days, maybe up to a week. But ultimately, Google probably will want to fix this. But anyways, that is all I've got for this video. Hopefully it was helpful to resolve your issue. If it wasn't, maybe check out my channel and there's probably another video in there that may suit your needs. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.